All right, this one is well overdue. Home birth is the best birth. Part 2. As I am saying, Jamaicans, people all over the world, your placenta is of high commodity. Now, where should I start? Should I say that we're not intelligent animals? Why all the animals eat back their placenta? And why out here when I did this video, all the baby mothers are saying yuck? When I told them that what you should do is preserve your placenta, save it on the freezer, dehydrate it properly, turn it into capsule so that if you have another baby and you feel weak or this baby born with any form of sickle cell trait, you can use it to cure your baby or any other sicknesses you think. The elites know this. Right, first thing first, let me straighten the record. Home birth is the best birth because they go against the law of not gravity but dropping down. They heist the lady leg in the air, tell you to push, pushing against the pelvic girdle, making pregnancy very difficult. And what happened is that they force you to do a C-section because at your hospital the doctor get points for surgeries. So the more they cut you is the more point. And also the agenda is to reduce the baby percentage. And yeah, because they just want robots to take over. So you are gonna go in fear because after 3 C-section, you are told that you only have one more baby leave. Yeah, something like that. So therefore, yeah, before now, we normally trust ourselves. Don't think that we did have any doctor. We have to figure it out ourselves as long as your tools are sterilized. The next thing is that when the baby is born, the placenta should stay on it as long as possible until all the information from the placenta is run back. They sell it on the black market. The placenta is more powerful than you think. It is what is used to make your vitamin capsule that is selling the pharmacies. It is what the elites use for anti-aging property, why they are always looking young and your Hollywood stars. The placenta is what has stem cell in it that is used to experiment, especially the carbonated tribe. They subtract melanin from the placenta of melanated tribe to have melanin for sale. Check it on Amazon. Not only that, the placenta is so powerful. It's what make your original parchment paper where when you write on it, anything you speak over it, the vibration and frequency is higher. Therefore, this word will become reality. The placenta is way powerful. This is why they're after your babies. So I'm saying again, home birth is the best birth. Having your child at home, you have access to your placenta and you also have access to your child becoming a superhuman because the information inside the human, there is a SDC card, like a memory card, yes, that cannot be destroyed, not by fire. It cannot even destroy by fire. If you burn it, they have burned a body before, and when they go and do a carbon dating on the ash, they realize that the memory of their ancestors is still within the ash. This memory is within the DNA, and in the DNA, this memory is called the Akashic records. The Akashic records are downloads that is passed on from your ancestral trait. Our ancestors, some of them never get the chance to fulfill their reincarnation, so they constantly have to be burning over and coming back in this miserable world. So they pass on tasks to people like us that is attached to our gift. So when we find our purpose, we are literally fulfilling our ancestral lineage task that we are tasked to come here. If we don't find our purpose, we will constantly coming back in this miserable reincarnated world. So the placenta is more important than you think or thought in your head. Therefore, my friend, house birth is the best birth. Protect thy placenta. Realize with the mind eyes the lies and demise right in front of your eyes that the black market has this as a high commodity. Therefore, protect your child and your placenta at all costs. Yes, the information from your Akashic records need to run back. Allow the naval card to attach to the belly of your child. Yes, so that the information that they deserve. And if you don't give your child any joke, nor you don't remove, you will realize that your child is born with not even fresh cold. They won't catch any disease. They will walk before they creep. They will be super minds. You will realize that your child does not need much. You will realize that homeschooling is the best schooling. You will realize that woman was not designed for a 9 to 5. A woman was designed to find their gift, pursue it with all their might, stay home, grow the children, and that the means when the children come out in the world, they don't have to protect them from society because they will already be fuel and powered. Yo, part 2. Home birth is the best birth. Protect your children. I am knowledge of a true virgin, protector of children and women. Peace and light. I'm out. Yeah, man, for more inspiration like this, check out my new book on Amazon, Earth, Book 1, and also locally here in Jamaica. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Close line, who can wear it best? You will be getting a prize, a herbal package prize. Hold that.